Welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering with Tarek. The importance of removal of slush from a construction site. Slush removal from a construction site refers to the process of removing wet and muddy snow that has accumulated on the site due to winter conditions. The removal of slush is important as it can pose a hazard to workers and also slow down construction progress. In addition to it's important to dispose of slush properly to avoid environmental contamination. Slush should be disposed of in a designated areas that are approved by local authorities. Overall, slush removal is an important aspect of winter construction and should be carefully planned and executed to ensure worker safety and prevent delays in construction progress as well as the expected settlement in the building. आज के वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों के लिए दिखाया कि इसमें किस तरह स्लैश जमा हुआ है और हम इसको किस तरह रिमूव करते हैं और इसके क्या नुकसान हैं। तो आइंदा जो वीडियो अपलोड होगा इसमें मैं इंशाल्लाह आपको इस तरह दिखाऊंगा कि इसमें जो स्लैश है वो हम किस तरह रिमूव करेंगे। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे, तब तक के लिए मुझे दी इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।